Guys, are you supposed to be chewing on aluminum foil? I didn't think so, buddy. Hi guys, how you doing? We had a beach day the other day at
East Lake Toho.
Up in St. Cloud. It's I couldn't tell you how many acre lake it is, but it's pretty big. But they have a beach area, and it's not real deep.
No, 6 foot at the most.
Yeah, we took the kayaks out. We filmed some with the GoPro in the front of the kayaks. We did a little bit of drone, but we never talked. I don't know why. But we was up there with the grandkids and friends, and we had a really good day.
It was fun.
It is. They have a, what is it, like a little water thing there for the kids?
They have a splash pad for the kids.
Splash pad.
A playground, a little hot dog stand. Well, I said a little hot dog stand for the building.
1 pound hot dogs. Imagine a 1 pound hot, no, I'm not eating a 1 pound hot dog.
Yeah.
But also right next to that, we had Valentine's dinner with friends. It was actually their anniversary. Chip and Ruth and Bonnie and Andy's anniversary on Valentine's Day. And went to Crabby Bills, which is right next to that beach. And it's a seafood place, priced
Average.
yeah, I mean, it's no different than going to Texas Roadhouse and having a couple drinks, I guess. Depending on what you get.
The fish was market price, so whatever the market price was, that's what we paid for fish.
But it was really good. I had halibut and French fries and 2. What was the beer I drank? Orange.
Shock top?
Shock Top. I like Shock Top.
Yeah, and I had shrimp. It was the best coconut shrimp I've ever had. It was flaky, it was fresh, it wasn't overdone. The sauce that we dipped it in was perfect. We had onion rings for an appetizer. The horseradish sauce was good. They were, it was just really, really good.
It was. And anytime you're with friends and celebrating Valentine's Day, anniversary, or anything, it's always a good time. But
And dinner out on the patio. Oh my gosh, it was February. We had dinner on the patio.
yes, yeah, it was very nice. It's been warm here to be, real quick. It's been in the mid 80s,
Yeah.
60s at night. 60s at night it cools off, fan blowing on you, you're fine sleeping. During the day it's a little warm. Coach, whatever the temperature is outside, the coach is staying that inside. So if it's 82 out, it's an 82 in, and it's not unbearable by no means. I can go in there and take a nap if I wanted to, but.
Yeah.
But anyways. Oh, and also, while we was out and we had the GoPro on the kayak, we kind of went out to the edge where where it ends the beach for swimming, and we was getting ready to spin around, and she said she hollered at me. I didn't hear with everything going on, but I happened to look over my shoulder, and her canoe is blue on the top, kayak, blue on the top, white on the bottom, and all I see is white and no Julie. And I'm thinking, my God, she's under this thing. But as I'm turning, the GoPro is facing me, and you can look over my left shoulder, and we'll put that at the end, but you look over my left shoulder and see her, she just like, everything's fine, all of a sudden, bloop.
It was slow motion. I tried to stop it. You can see on the video that I tried to stop it, but there was just no stopping it. The wind was blowing really hard, and I'm not experienced, so the wind was blowing really hard, and I was trying really hard to turn around because he was way in front of me, left me behind.
It was only, what, 5 foot deep?
It was about 5
She could stand and grab the canoe. She held on to the canoe so it didn't blow away. Or
Canoe.
kayak. Why do I keep saying canoe? Kayak. But it's
It was pretty funny.
we'll put it at the end, and it's funny, yeah.
It happens.
Yeah, it's funny because nothing bad happened out of it. But anyways, what's on the list? We have a list so we don't squirrel. We're squirreling. We are gonna do a series. I'm gonna try to keep it in 4 to 5 parts, no promises, on boondocking, long-term boondocking. I'm also gonna do an interview with Gary and Jeannie. Horrible names, sorry Gary and Jeannie. But they started boondocking 42 years ago, and I'm going to interview them, and there's like 5 questions we gave them to kind of come up with their answer so it's not too long of an interview. But It's so interesting sitting and talking to these guys about boondocking 42 years ago compared to today. And we think we're roughing it today with 1,000-watt of solars and composting toilets, where they had campers with gas lights and no refrigeration whatsoever, nothing.
Give it all away.
That's all I'm saying about it. But we are going to do this series on everything boondocking, long-term, short-term, and I'll leave it at that.
So if there's anything that you really have a question about and would like for us to cover, please go ahead and comment below.
Yes.
We'll put a link below for Crabby Bills. So if you're in the St. Cloud area, you can go to Crabby Bills. There are a lot of different Crabby Bills and Crabby this and Crabby that. They're all part of the same chain, but this particular one is really, really good.
We even have Crabby Bills next to us.
Yeah, we got Crabby Bill.
That's Crabby Bill.
Yeah, that's what Mary Ann said. She's going to eat with Crabby Bill.
Yeah.
She wasn't going to go with us to Crabby Bill's because she was eating with Crabby Bill.
That's ordinary. He's a good guy. But that is it.
Yeah.
We'll put the kayaking footage and the drone footage and even Julie flipping her kayak. So, like I said, if you have any questions about long-term or even short-term, anything to do with boondocking that you wanted to ask and was always too scared to, put it below and we will address that when we do the videos that are coming up. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Hey, like, subscribe.
Facebook.
Instagram. Hey guys, thanks. Hit the like button. If you think we suck, hit the dislike button. We really don't care. But you guys have a good day. We'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.
See ya.